how to fix Instagram Reels and Remix options not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, the Reels and Remix options not showing in Instagram might be because the app is not updated to the latest version. So, for that, you'll need to go to your App Store and then search for Instagram. So, you can see no update option here. So, sometimes there might be a glitch. So, to update the app yourself, you need to go to your phone settings and then go to General. Then go ahead and tap on iPhone storage and then search for Instagram. Tap on it, and there you'll find Offload app. So you'll have to upload the app, which uninstalls the app, and then you have to reinstall it again. So this will update the app without losing its data. So you can fix the Reels and Remix options not showing by offloading the app and then reinstalling it again. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.